In this module, we're going to share 4 adders that we have inside the Solar Tax Max plan. Obviously, number 1 is the cost of the Solar Tax Max plan. Adder number 2 is if the homeowner would like us to file their taxes for them, there'd be an additional small fee for us to file the taxes for them. Adder number 3 is if you're with the homeowner and you're having difficulty and you need a third-party independent trusted advisor, you can phone a friend and call us with the homeowner, and for an additional small fee, we will help you close that deal. And fourth, if you have homeowners that have already gone solar, you can refer them to us and we'll deal with them directly and share with them how they missed the extra solar incentives and how to recoup those solar incentives. All of those can amount to big solar savings for the homeowner, increasing your closing ratios.